Hello guys, welcome to my video. Today I'll be showing you how to run Azemux and a tool called Zphisher on Linux. That's a powerful phishing tool. You can use it for scamming people, for I don't know, many things. So first we're going to run GitHub. Then up here on the search bar we're going to type Azemux. Okay, so once we're searched it up, it's by fragment, so you're going to find it easily. And here are the images, line, git core. You don't have to do that, but first you run apt install python git. I already installed that, so no need for me. But then you run this command, so git clone, and then you just copy this link and you paste it. Enter. Okay, so you copied this thing. We run cd azemux. We're not going to need this anymore. I mean, if you want it, you can leave it, but I turn it off. So run ls-l. So we see already Azemux is not executable, so it doesn't have this X next to it. So we do chmod plus X azemux.py. Okay, so now we did it. We type ls-l. So now see, it is executable. It has the X, and now we can do /azemux python 3 azemux.py. Now we're in the tool. We can obviously select the language. I don't know this. I think it's Indian, but I'm not sure. This is English, so we're going to select English. We have web hacking, social engineering game. You can play like Flappy Bird, I seen. Social engineering, password information. We're just going to stick to social engineering because it's the most simple one. We're going to use Zphisher because I have some experience on it. It's really user friendly and it's really easy to learn, not really hard. We type our password. Wait, no. Here, I type my password. This doesn't matter, unable to locate package, you just ignore it. So we quit the tool. I mean, we can return to the menu to get more tools, but it's not needed right now. We can type .. no, it doesn't work. / no. I just exit the tool, exit the terminal, we can start again. So we can now type cd Zphisher .sh. No, cd Zphisher. Yeah, cd Zphisher. So now we type ls-l. So it's executable because I already had it on my computer. So we can type sh. We run sh. We run programs that have the sh extension with // and then we type Zphisher.sh. If we run with the extension py, where we type python 3 and then space and then we type the tool and then .py if it's in Python. It's written in Python, but I think it's written in C, I'm not sure. But now it's starting. We wait for it to start. It takes a little while, like 20 seconds. And so we can use Facebook, Instagram, Google, Microsoft, Netflix, and a lot of things. I'm going to show you Google and, for example, Roblox today, because it's the most simple ones, and that's it. 3. So you type 0, 3, we can also type just 3. For Google, you don't have to include the zeros, you can just type 3, but those 2 digits, you have to do it. Okay, select an option. We can use Gmail old login page, Gmail new login page, and advanced voting pool. So how the old Gmail login page looked, how the new looked, and voting pool file. We're going to type 2. We're going to use Cloudflare. It's the most simple one. You don't have to sign up anywhere. Ports, no. I'm not really into ports, so I don't know it. So we're using the default port 8080. Change the mask URL. I can try it, but it doesn't work that well. It just gives you an at the end of the URL, and it just doesn't work. So we can try something like Google -login -passwords.com, for example. But I don't think it's going to work. Yeah, .com at this at is like making the link not work. Open link. See, the site can be reached, but it's okay. We can use the default one. So it's HTTPS, it's supposed to, it's okay. It doesn't look that legit. The link is like a little fake. You can recognize it. It's supposed -FOO -personalized -bacterial.trycloudflare.com. I wouldn't click on this type of link because bacterial and FOO, I don't know what it stands for, and the extension is .trycloudflare.com. So I open the link. Obviously someone is going to fall for it, like a little kid or someone, I don't know. We can type a Gmail something. I'm going to make something up, like mark.coffee@gmail.com. This is something random. I don't know if it exists, but no, wait, let me do it again. So, okay, mark coffee, and then we're going to do mark coffee 123 for a password. And see, right here in our terminal, it gave us our IPv6. It doesn't provide IPv4. It's saved in auth.ip.txt. I can search for it. So auth/ip.txt. No files found. Maybe I'm just stupid, or I don't know, but it's okay for now. We don't need it. It's login info found. So how does this basically work? This is a fake login page. So this is what you see. This is not the legit login page from Google. Basically, we create a fake login page using Zphisher, and then it reports their IP to us, and the information they type in here when they press enter or sign in or forgot password, it basically sends us back the information they typed in our terminal. So there's the first attempt, mark.coffee@gmail.com. Then this is all the same IP because I'm using one single computer. I can try it with my phone, but not right now. And see, this is the second attempt where I typed the password. And there's mark.coffee@gmail.com, and there's markcoffee123. So with this information, I can, for example, I can press Ctrl+C, stop it, exit the terminal. I can turn this off, close all, enter the terminal again, and now I can do something like cd Zphisher again, and then /Zphisher.sh. I'm running it again. So as I told you earlier, I'm going to show the Roblox too. I can show you something else, but not really needed. You can run it also on your Linux terminal, but today we're going to use Roblox. So, with someone's Google password, also Cloudflare, the tunnel, I can reset their, Roblox password if they typed in from the same IP address, from the same computer, and I'm not going to change my SQL because it's not working, but I can try this link. So this for Roblox. It looks really legit, this one. Someone might fall for it, like a little kid or someone, but I think this spacing is like too small. It should be lowered a little bit. I don't know. We can press avatar shop. Yeah, there's nothing right here, but it's okay. No one is even pressing avatar shop or those things when they're logging into Roblox. And we can type again something like hello there, and the password is going to be hello there 1 2 3. And see, there goes a Roblox account recovery. So now, right now, I can type in the email I already fished. There, the account reported back to us, the password reported back, so we got the password and the account username. And because Roblox account recovery, if the same person used the Gmail phishing, you already got their password and their Gmail. So you can type in their Gmail right here, like mark.coffee@gmail.com. Obviously, I'm not going to send this nowhere, because I don't know if someone's Gmail is this. I don't want to like interrupt someone or something. But this for educational purposes only, should not be used for harmful intentions. I'm not responsible for it. So there, I can get their password, their account. Obviously, okay, I'm going to show another example. .sh. So I never tried like I don't know, Spotify. I'm going to try it. I never been to their login page because I don't own a Spotify account. So I'm going to look if it looks really legit or doesn't. I don't know why would you fish someone's Spotify account. It's not really needed. But if you want to play or something, like play around, you can do it. Yeah, it looks really legit. I never had a Spotify account. I know it's green, so remember me. I'm going to type like Mark Windows. That's what I used before the video. And I'm going to use Spotify fish 1 2 3. Okay, yeah, suspected phishing site. So the Spotify doesn't work, but it's okay. I don't know if it reported back. No, it actually didn't report back, but it's okay. The Brave browser actually detected the phishing. If I was on Google, maybe it wouldn't. But using Brave, because of these sites, you can always, someone can always scam you. They can redirect you with the DNS spoof. I'm going to talk about that in a few videos. But yeah, I recommend Brave for those things. If you're hacking especially or something, you want privacy, there's ad blockers and that's not an ad or something, but I just recommend it. So see, you can get a lot of vulnerable information. You can get someone's IP address, IPv6. You can do some things with it. If you're on local network, it's easier. If you're not, that is harder a little bit. You can get someone's password, Gmail, and those things. So watch out for phishing links. And stay safe out there, guys. And see you in the next video. Goodbye.